Welcome to AI for Absolute Beginners. Today, we're diving into one of the most fundamental types of artificial intelligence, supervised learning. Get ready to understand how machines learn with the help of an answer key. Imagine you're studying for a huge exam, but instead of having to figure everything out on your own, you have all the answers provided right next to the questions. That's the core idea behind supervised learning, and it makes the learning process incredibly powerful and efficient for an AI. By the end of this short lesson, you'll completely understand what supervised learning is, how it works, and you'll be able to spot real-world examples of it in your everyday life. The whole concept starts with data that is, quote, labeled. This is the answer key part of supervised learning. Labeled data means for every piece of input the AI sees, we explicitly tell it what the correct output, or quote, label, should be. Think of it this way. The raw input is the problem, and the label is the solution. The AI is fed thousands, even millions, of these, quote, problem-solution pairs. This is what it learns from. Let's use a clear example, predicting house prices. If we want an AI to predict a home's price, the input might be the house's square footage. The crucial part is the label. We must provide the actual selling price, say $250,000, right alongside the square footage data. The AI sees 2,000 square feet equals $250,000. Visually, the data looks like a giant spreadsheet where every single row has the problem and the correct answer already filled in. The AI uses this historical data to find the hidden relationship between the size of a house and its price. So how does the AI actually learn from this labeled data? The process is essentially a simple loop of guessing, checking, and adjusting. First, the AI is given a piece of input data it hasn't seen before. Let's say a house with 1,900 square feet. It uses its current imperfect model to make a guess or, quote, prediction for the price. Maybe it guesses $210,000. Next, we check its answer against the correct label from our dataset, which might be $230,000. Since its guess of $210,000 was wrong, the AI calculates the, quote, error, and then makes a tiny, mathematically precise adjustment to its underlying model. It learns, I need to guess a little higher next time. This cycle, guess, check answer, adjust, repeat, happens thousands or millions of times until the AI's guesses are consistently accurate. It keeps fine-tuning its model until the error margin is negligible, making it highly reliable for new, unseen data. Supervised learning is everywhere. Here are 3 common examples you interact with daily. First, email spam detection. The AI is trained on emails labeled either spam or not spam. When a new email arrives, the AI predicts which category it belongs to. This is a classification problem. Second, medical diagnosis. I can analyze medical scans trained on images labeled benign or malignant. It helps doctors classify new cases accurately, another critical classification task. And third, price prediction, like our housing example, or predicting stock prices. The AI is trained on historical data and predicts a continuous numerical value. This is called a regression problem. To recap, supervised learning requires 2 things: a large amount of input data and the correct output labels. Data plus labels equals a powerful, predictive model. Before you go, here's your action step. Look around your life and name 3 problems that could be solved using supervised learning. Problems where you know the correct answer or outcome for past data. Drop your answers in the comments below. In the next video, video 24, we'll flip the script and explore unsupervised learning. This is where the AI learns without any answer keys at all. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.